Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Great to have you with us. Today, we're really digging into a topic that's actively reshaping the business world, the transformative power of AI business consultants. In today's digital economy, it's tough. Businesses are under immense pressure. More data than ever, need to respond faster, operate super efficiently. This deep dive will uncover how these experts can, well, genuinely revolutionize organizations, help them thrive.
That's right. And at their core, AI business consultants are really those trusted advisors. They skillfully bridge the gap, between the cutting edge tech and actual practical business use. It's not just about dropping in software. It's about deeply understanding a company's unique challenges. And often the sources show the biggest challenge isn't even the tech itself. It might be breaking down internal data silos or maybe overcoming human resistance to algorithmic decisions.
That's true.
So consultants step in. They assess the processes, identify the prime spots for automation, and then they implement tailored AI solutions. Solutions that align right with core business goals, whether that's, say, improving customer experience, speeding up product development, or making the supply chain run smoother.
Okay, let's unpack this then, because what we found in our sources, well, it points to some truly powerful benefits, things that might surprise you, unlocking new efficiencies, competitive advantages, and maybe even entirely new ways to make money. So we're going to start with something pretty revolutionary, turning data into a real strategic asset. Because so many companies are just drowning in data, right? Struggling to get the gold out. And here's where it gets really interesting for you.
Indeed, it's a common problem. Swamped with information, but struggling to make sense of it fast enough to really make an impact. So these consultants, they bring in intelligent analytic systems, sophisticated machine learning algorithms, predictive analytics, data mining tools. The works, their main goal, help companies anticipate trends, mitigate risks, seize opportunities with much greater precision, moving beyond just, gut instinct.
Makes sense.
And we see concrete examples. Our research shows in retail, AI models forecasting demand, managing inventory. It helps reduce stockouts and having too much stuff on the shelves. In finance, AI assesses creditworthiness, detects fraud patterns, optimizes investment portfolios really accurately. And healthcare, predictive analytics can seriously improve patient outcomes, anticipating care needs before they become critical. That allows for proactive intervention.
And what's really compelling is something our sources call the democratization of data. Consultants help set up intuitive dashboards, BI platforms, allowing employees at all levels, not just data scientists, to see the KPIs, the key metrics, and get insights. So what does this all mean for you? Well, it means faster decision-making everywhere, and a workforce that's more agile, more empowered.
Absolutely. And to make sure those insights are, solid and reliable long-term, AI business consultants establish robust data governance frameworks. That means defining data quality standards, setting up the right access permissions, establishing compliance policies. It's really about laying a solid foundation, trustworthy, scalable analytics that meet those tricky regulatory requirements.
And get this, a fascinating insight we pulled. Companies using AI-driven decision-making. They see a 5 to 8% increase in revenue compared to peers just relying on human analysis. That's direct impact, right on the bottom line.
Okay, so if getting clarity from data is about seeing the future, then acting on it needs super efficient operations. And that's where our sources show AI consultants really shine, dramatically boosting operational efficiency. Through automation, we know in so many places employees spend so much time on routine, repetitive tasks. Necessary, maybe, but not adding huge strategic value.
Exactly. That's where AI business consultants step right in. They're experts at spotting those bottlenecks. Then they implement intelligent automation solutions using tools like robotic process automation, RPA, or AI-powered scheduling, natural language processing. These solutions are designed to optimize performance, cut costs, and significantly improve the quality of the output.
Think about it. These systems automate tedious stuff. Data entry, processing invoices, customer support responses, HR onboarding, even procurement. And they work 204/7. No fatigue, consistent performance. And that frees up your people for higher impact strategic work, the stuff that really moves the needle for your business.
We see this playing out. The sources cite real examples. Customer service, AI consultants deploy virtual assistants, AI voice agents handling common questions accurately, even with empathy, or think logistics, supply chains.
Hmm?
Automation tools optimizing routes, tracking shipments in real time, predicting maintenance needs for trucks or equipment. That minimizes downtime, improves reliability. One source even mentioned a client where before AI, a whole team just manually reconciled invoices. Imagine the relief, the shift when that got automated.
Yeah, and what really sets these consultants apart is their holistic approach. It's not just plug and play. They assess the whole end-to-end process. They really get your specific business goals, and then they customize the automation strategy. And crucially, they also provide the training, the change management support that ensures it actually sticks and delivers long-term value for your organization.
Good point. It's not just the tech.
Right. Plus, they implement advanced analytics dashboards, tracking those KPIs in real time. That empowers managers to make quick, informed decisions, constantly refine operations, making sure the automation keeps delivering benefits.
And listen to this stat. One study we looked at. Enterprises automating back office operations save up to 30% in costs annually. That is a significant ROI, hitting that bottom line directly. Okay, next up, let's explore the huge value these experts bring, delivering custom-built AI solutions. These aren't just, off-the-shelf tools. They align perfectly with your specific goals, your industry, your existing tech setup. It's about making sure the tech isn't just fancy, but it actually fits your unique puzzle perfectly.
Exactly. It always starts with a thorough, deep dive audit. Looking into current operations, the tech stack you have, your data environment, consultants identify those critical friction points, the high ROI opportunities where AI can genuinely transform productivity. Maybe it's advanced forecasting, intelligent automation, maybe computer vision, or deep learning. Then, from that understanding, they design tailor-made solutions that plug right into your existing systems.
And you have examples of that, right?
Oh yeah, we've seen specific cases where this really shines. Manufacturing firms. Consultants deploy predictive maintenance models. They use IoT sensors, monitoring machinery vibrations, temperature, sounds. Machine learning analyzes that data in real time to predict failure before it happens, days, weeks ahead. That cuts downtime, saves huge repair costs, or in legal and financial sectors. Using natural language processing tools, automating complex compliance reviews, like sifting through millions of documents for specific clauses way faster than humans could, reduces errors, speeds up analysis. Every solution is crafted for measurable value.
And it's not just the design part, it's a full integration service too. Consultants oversee the whole deployment, custom model training, real-time API integration with your existing ERP, CRM, cloud systems, whatever you use. The goal is minimal disruption while actually enhancing system performance and making sure everything works together.
Absolutely. And beyond the tech side, they also train the internal teams. They establish the long-term governance protocols, provide ongoing support, making sure it's scalable and compliant. Ultimately, it's about empowering your staff to really own these changes, sustain the performance long after the consultants leave.
And here's something critical, maybe often overlooked: future readiness. These consultants don't just fix today's problems, they architect systems that can evolve with your business, ensuring those AI investments keep paying off as you grow. Research actually shows 91% of businesses say successful AI integration hinges on aligning tech with workflow and culture. It's really not just about the tech, it's the fit.
It really is.
Okay, moving on. A key reason companies turn to AI experts: simply staying ahead of the curve. This next benefit is all about competitive advantage and driving growth through innovation.
Absolutely. AI consultants bring that strategic lens to innovation. They guide businesses on using predictive analytics, personalization engines, intelligent automation, all aimed at creating truly different customer experiences and uncovering new growth opportunities.
How does that look practically?
Well, think about optimizing product recommendations in e-commerce, making them super relevant, or fine-tuning pricing strategies in retail based on real-time demand. Deploying sophisticated AI voice agents in customer service that feel more human. It even extends to using machine learning to anticipate what customers might want next. Or applying generative AI to maybe design new product concepts based on analyzing real-time consumer feedback. These innovations get embedded right into the business strategy, fed by data.
Now, a question you might have is, what's the difference between AI business consultants and just buying AI tools? It's a fair question. While AI tools offer specific functions like an AI agent or a predictive engine, consultants offer the whole package. End-to-end strategy, solution design, integration, optimization, they really act as transformation partners, not just software vendors.
That's a key distinction. And critically, consultants accelerate experimentation. By implementing AI-driven testing frameworks, think A/B testing platforms or even reinforcement learning agents, companies can pilot bold ideas with minimal risk and then refine them based on live feedback. This iterative approach, it leads to more effective innovation, faster time to market.
So ultimately, consultants are catalysts for future-focused transformation, helping organizations shift from being reactive to proactive, where innovation is constant, insights are backed by data, and growth isn't just guesswork anymore. And here's a striking stat from our sources. Companies using predictive AI in retail, they record a 20% increase in upsell revenue. That's direct growth right there.
Significant growth.
Okay, let's delve into a benefit that's significant but maybe often underestimated. Strengthening risk management and compliance. Super relevant now, right? With regulations tightening, digital threats always evolving.
That's a crucial point, yeah. Consultants don't just put in security rules, they develop AI-driven frameworks. Frameworks that anticipate, detect, and neutralize threats before they escalate. This means using machine learning algorithms to watch data streams for anything unusual, flagging suspicious activity in real time. Fraudulent transactions, weird access patterns, policy violations. These tools are just way faster and more accurate than trying to do it manually.
Makes sense, especially in certain industries.
Exactly. Their role is especially vital in highly regulated sectors, finance, healthcare, logistics, where compliance is a legal and operational must-have. Consultants help implement things like automated audit trails, document review bots, intelligent reporting systems. It reduces the human workload, sure, but also enhances accuracy dramatically.
And they help with navigating all those standards, right? Like GDPR, HIPAA.
Yes, absolutely. They play a vital role helping companies align their AI deployments with global standards. Europe's GDPR for data privacy, AIPAA in U.S. healthcare, California's CCPA, the international ISO 27001 for info security. It's an incredibly complex landscape to navigate on your own.
Definitely.
And again, their role goes beyond just the tech. They support the change management, the team training, ensuring proper implementation, and that people actually use it correctly long term. As businesses use more AI, consultants help evolve those governance models, managing algorithmic transparency, data ethics, potential model bias, ensuring compliance keeps up with innovation.
So it's clear, consultants help build systems that meet today's rules but are also adaptable for whatever comes next. And here's a powerful finding from our research: AI-enhanced compliance programs. They can cut audit costs by up to 50%. That's a massive savings.
Huge.
Okay, as we wrap up this deep dive, you might be wondering about some practical things. For instance, can small businesses really benefit from AI business consultants?
Oh, absolutely. A resounding yes. There are consultants who specialize in the best AI software for small businesses. They can help startups and SMBs implement right-sized automation and analytics tools, providing enterprise-level capabilities but at a fraction of the cost, like setting up an intelligent chatbot for customer service or an AI-powered inventory system tailored just for their scale. It's definitely achievable.
Okay, good to know. And what about the big question, cost? How much does hiring an AI business consultant actually cost?
Well, as you'd expect, pricing really depends on the project scope, the size of your business, how much customization is needed. Smaller, more targeted projects might range from, say, $20,000 to $50,000, whereas big enterprise-wide solutions, those can definitely exceed $250,000. But crucially, the return on investment, the ROI, is typically seen pretty quickly, often within 6 to 12 months. So it's usually a very effective investment for long-term growth.
Right, ROI is key. And finally, a really important question for you. How can I measure success when working with these AI consultants?
Yeah, that's vital. The key is setting clear key performance indicators, KPIs, right from the very beginning. These could be specific cost savings targets, improved decision accuracy metrics, reduction in how long processes take, better customer satisfaction scores, or, of course, direct revenue growth. Most reputable AI consultants will provide performance dashboards, reporting tools, so you can monitor these results continuously, giving you clear, ongoing visibility into the impact and the value you're getting.
Okay, so to quickly recap our deep dive today, working with AI business consultants, it's really about strategic transformation, not just buying some new tech. We've explored how they revolutionize strategic decision-making and data insights, dramatically enhance operational efficiency through smart automation,
Right.
deliver custom-built AI solutions perfectly tailored to your needs,
Yeah.
foster that competitive edge and innovation for growth,
Crucial.
and really fortify your risk management and compliance systems.
Which leads to, I think, an important question for you, the listener. How might embracing AI, not just as another tool, but really as a strategic partnership, how might that reshape the very foundation of your own organization or even your industry, ensuring not just survival, but, true long-term innovation and growth in this constantly evolving digital landscape?
The powerful thought to definitely consider as you move forward. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI business consultants. We really encourage you to reflect on these insights and think about how these experts might just be the catalyst for your own success. We look forward to diving deep with you again very soon.